Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back. Kembali pada video kali ini Pak 7 Rebon menghiasi hidup Anda dengan berbagai seluk-beluk tentang otomotif dunia khususnya pabrikan Yamaha.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay.
Okay brother, selamat berjumpa kembali pada mas yang berbahagia ni. Alhamdulillah syukur kita masih nak ada peluang berjumpa melalui siaran Pak 7 Rebon yang merupakan salah satu siaran yang sangat famous di kalangan otomotif di Asia bahkan di dunia. Okey brother, tanpa membuang mas, kita langsung jom ke bengkel resmi Yamaha Lutang, di mana kita tengok hari ni bengkel resmi Yamaha ni ramai dikunjungi oleh pelanggan setia Yamaha dan halayak ramai. Nampak di depan pun masih banyak basikal yang antri. Kita tengok je aktiviti daripada bengkel teracing di jagat maya ni. Nampak kita tengok berbagai macam hal terjadi di sini, mulai dari servis ringan sampai servis berat pun terjadi dan nampak elok dipandang Majene. Nah, nampak pun berbagai title bicycle dari perusahaan je pun ada di sini. Nampak ada MX King si raja jalanan. Berbagai motor metik pun ada. Nampak motor matik macam Lexi, Max, Frego, Mio pun ada ye. Pokoknya berbagai macam title hadir hari ni di bengkel resmi.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to grey as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to grey as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
Like nothing I found, my mind overwhelms. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel bored or worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to grey.
Namun hari ini motorsport macam tak nampak pun ye. Oh ternyata ada motorsport Vixen, motorsport legend dari pabrikan Yamaha pun nampak hadir ternyata. Okey brother, awak nak pamit dulu. Selamat menonton. Semoga Kai nak jumpa lagi pada perhelatan berikutnya.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to grey.
Semoga korang dimanapun berada dipermudahkan segala urusannya, dimudahkan rezekinya, disihatkan selalu, dan dipanjangkan umurnya, amin. Amin ya rabbal alamin. Wa akai brother akhir K. Billahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.